5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heard Learned Counsel for the petitioners, Learned Advocate General assisted by Learned Counsels for the respondent state and Learned Counsel for the respondent Jharkhand Public Service Commission. The writ petition has been heard through video conferencing in view of the guidelines of the High Court, taking into account the situation arising due to COVID-19 pandemic. None of the parties have complained about any technical snag of audio video, and with their consent this matter has been heard on merit. The petitioners have preferred this writ petition for quashing the advertisement number 06 by 2018 contained in Annexure 4 of the writ petition so far as it relates to the appointments to be made on the post of Assistant Engineer Civil limited to the extent of retrospective applicability of 10% reservation for economical weaker section for the sake of brevity herein after to be referred to as EWS reservation. The prayer is also made for quashing of the decision to conduct single selection process on the vacancies of the year 2014 and 2015 respectively. The further prayer is made for conducting selection process on the vacancies arrived in the year 2013, 2015 and 2017 separately and independently. The fact leading for filing of this writ petition is that the department for the first time earmarked vacancies to be filled up for the post of Assistant Engineer Civil in the year 2013, and pursuant to this the advertisement was published numbered as advertisement number 6 of 2015 for the selection process by respondent number 7. The petitioner applied to participate in the selection process for their direct recruitment for the post of assistant engineer. The number of unreserved posts advertised was 105 vacancies. There was no EWS reservation of 10% quota applicable at that point of time. The cutoff date for age eligibility was specified to be 4 May 2013, and it was also specified that the age of eligibility to participate will be 21 to 35. The selection process was started but not concluded in conducting selection test. In the very same advertisement number 7 of 2015, the department's earmarked vacancies to be filled up for the post of Assistant Engineer Civil in the year 2015 was published. The petitioners eligible on all counts applied to participate in the selection process for their direct recruitment on the post of Assistant Engineer. The number of unreserved posts advertised was 93 vacancies only for road construction department. There was no EWS reservation of 10% quota applicable at that point of time. The cut-off date for age eligibility was specified to be 2/7/2015, and further it was disclosed that the age eligibility to participate will be 21 to 35 years. Though the selection process was initiated, but the same was not concluded by way of selection test. No selection test was conducted pursuant to above two advertisements. The Government of India Wide Office Memorandum dated 25/1/2018 published its decisions whereby 10% reservation for EWS in direct recruitment in civil post and services in Government of India was notified. The state of Jharkhand introduced the reservation quota of 10% for EWS in the civil post and services of the Government of Jharkhand.